In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WordPress blog on Hostinger from start to finish. By the end, you'll have your own site live and your first post published, all using clear, beginner-friendly steps. First, head over to Hostinger and choose a hosting plan. If you're just starting out, a basic shared or WordPress specific plan is usually more than enough, and you can always upgrade later as your traffic grows. Look for plans that include a free domain and SSL to keep things simple and cost-effective. Also, pick a server location close to your main audience for faster loading. Next, register a domain name or connect one you already own. When picking a new domain, keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. If you already have a domain, choose the option to connect it and follow the on-screen prompts to link it to your new hosting account. Don't worry, you can finalize the connection details after setup if needed. Now finish the account setup and payment. Create your Hostinger account with an email you check often, confirm your plan, and complete the checkout. Keep your order confirmation for your records. Once payment is processed, you'll be guided straight into your dashboard for the next steps. Open your Hostinger dashboard and start the WordPress installation. In the control panel, look for the WordPress installer. Choose your domain from the list so WordPress is installed on the correct address. The installer will guide you through a quick wizard-style setup. Enter your website name, admin email, username, and password. Your website name can be changed later, so don't overthink it now. For the admin email and username, use something professional and unique. Create a strong password and store it securely. This is the key to your site's backend. Complete the installation and open your WordPress dashboard. After a minute or two, you'll see a success message and a link to log in. Click through to your dashboard and consider bookmarking the login page so you can return quickly whenever you need to update your site. Choose a theme and start creating your blog pages and posts. In appearance, browse themes, preview a few, and activate the one that fits your style and purpose. Create essential pages like home, about, and contact so visitors can orient themselves. Then head to posts to start building your content. Finally, publish your first blog post. Add a clear title, write your content, insert images, assign a category, and click publish. Congratulations, your blog is live and ready for readers.